Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove gradient from text in InDesign and font color change. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document with some gradient text. Now I remove this gradient text and font color change. At first I have to select this text. Then you can see here are gradient option and here are apply to font option. Now I select this, apply this fill color option. Then double click on this fill color and choose your color. Then press OK. Now select this selection tool and click outside of this text. Now you can see I remove gradient from text and font color change. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.